Okay, this guy says ad structure, Facebook ad structure for low budget. Hey guys, can you recommend an ad structure for a single product? Budget 35 per day. I should do one campaign, one ad set, 6 ads, right? I wonder if 6 ads should follow this pattern. Ads, one copy, ads. So pretty much, I'm not sure what do you mean by ads one, ads one. So is it the same image? Is it the same? So this is not how I would do it. This is not how I would do it. Does it make sense to duplicate ads in the same ad set by varying only the copy of the main text? Yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense. So let's say you have $35 for the whole day. This is your budget. Let's say, let me do the calculator. Let me do the calculator. I can do the calculation in my head, but just for entertainment. Right now, this one, you have $35 per day to spend on ads. And let's say we're gonna do a strategy where we're gonna spend $5 per ad set. So you can run 7 ad sets. This is how I would do it. My whole budget is $35, right? $35. So the campaign I'm gonna set, I'm just gonna test 7 ad sets at a daily budget of $5. And for ads, I'm gonna run 1, 2, 3 different ads. Maybe 4 would be ideal, but you need to give the ad account more time, more days to analyze the data. So ad set number 1 will be at $5. Ad set number 2 will be at $5 again. And here I'm gonna have 7 ad sets. I think you get the idea. I won't spend more time duplicating and like building the whole campaign. So this is what I would do. 7 ad sets, and in each ad set, I'll target, let's say, different interests. I can target different lookalikes. But what I will do, ad set number 7 will be remarketing. You can do remarketing, $5 per day. I think it's gonna help you tremendously. And this is how I would go about it. Because your budget is like very low, I would give this campaign maybe, let's say 15 days. So I would run this campaign for maybe like 2 weeks. And I would, of course, I'll be checking the campaign, but I won't touch a lot because the budget is very small. I don't say it's like too bad because $35 per day, you can still do a lot of damage. You can still get some idea of if it's working or not. And in some cases, I see Facebook ads performing better with like lower budget. So this is it. Ad set number 1, I'm testing, let's say, interest 1. If you're selling shoes, you can target interest shoes. Interest number 2, another interest related to shoes, let's say. Interest number 3, if you have data, you can do lookalike of purchase users. This will work the best. Lookalike of purchase users 1%. Ad set number 4, you can do lookalike of purchase users 2%. Ad set number 5, you can test interest, another interest related. Interest number 6, you can do broad, right? And interest number 7 would be remarketing. This will be a custom audience. Of all people visiting your sales page or your website. This depends on you. So you can do 30 days or like 45 days website remarketing. And this is how I would start a campaign if I only have $35 per day to spend on ads. I believe this is a very reasonable solution for you. And here I wouldn't test 6 ads. I think 6 ads is overkill. I would do 3 to 4 ads. So here, let's say, I'm not sure, ads number 1, I think you have different images or different videos. I'm not sure what you have on the ads, but here is how I would do the ads. So I'm just gonna have 4 ads in each ad set. So I'll create one ad set and I will duplicate it, and I'm gonna have 4 ads. Ad number 1 will be image ad. Ad number 2 will be again image ad. Ad 3 and 4 will be video ads, right? Very simple. In terms of like ad copy, I usually like testing different ad copy. So you can do like one variation of like the body copy or the caption, one body, or actually like 2 body. Let's do 2 body copy variations, and you can do 2 headlines, right? So this is it. For example, image 1, I have ad copy number 1, video ad, I have ad copy number 2, image 2, I have ad copy number 2, I have headline number 2. Something, this is what I would do. This is what I would do. It's very, very simple. It's very important to leave the campaign run for like, let's say at least 14 days. So in 14 days, how much money you would spend? Let's pull the calculator and let's do 14 by 35, like around $500. So do this, spend around $500, right? So if you feel like nothing is working, you need to get back to the drawing board. But after you run the campaign for some days, you're gonna see, oh, interest number 2, like the shoes or whatever, is performing very, very well. So I'm just gonna leave it running. You're gonna see that interest number 1 has 0 conversions. Lookalike purchase might be good, right? So you keep on, you leave that working and you just start working on the campaign. For example, if this interest is not working, you can test another interest. You can allocate the budget to an ad set that's working better, and you can do a lot of crazy things. So do I believe $5 per day is a bad ad spend? I don't think so. Preferably, I want to do like 30 or 50. However, you can still get some data, but you need to be more patient. Yeah, this is the video for today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Follow me, yo.